Tutti. So, what do you need to make this slime?
Okay, so you will need some PVA glue, activator of your choice, wood coloring or paint, a bowl to make your slime in, a container to store your slime, and something to mix your slime with.
Okay, Tutti, what's the first thing you have to do?
So you need to take your glue and pour it into the cup. Now, choose the coloring of your choice. Ooh, we will choose blue. Add color into the glue.
Okay, Tutti, what's the next step?
Mix color into glue. Put activator little by little into glue. Now mix it up. It's already clapping. If sticky, add more activator. Remember, making protected. Once you're done mixing and kneading, you should be done with your slime. Ooh, look, guys, this is so sticky and cool. Ooh. Alright, guys, that is it for this video. Have fun making your slime.
Bye!
Okay, so now you have to like wave the fork back and like this. Okay, then do that. Okay, do that. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's enough.
Do it. Practice. Let's do practice.
Practice?
Yeah, let's practice.
Okay. No. Remember, I have to start first. Okay. Pour the glue. You got it? Do you need help?
You need help? Okay.
Oh, there's like dried up glue. Okay, that's enough glue. This paint is dried up. I don't know what to do now.
Mix the color.
Can you look at the camera, please? Look at the camera.
You should mix color.
Look at the camera. Like, the camera's right here. The camera's right there. Look at it and say that. Why is it blurry? Wait, let me try again.